Hi guys, we have this Scotch-Brite No-Dust Broom. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review. MRP of this broom is rupees 375, but I got it from Amazon for rupees 285 only. So the package include one piece of Scotch-Brite handle, and in a separate pack there is a broom. Dimension of this broom is 65 by 15 by 6 centimeter and the weight is just 200 gram. If you look at the bristles of the broom, look-wise, they are quite similar to the grass broom, but they are made up of plastic fiber and it has flat bristles, wheatish color. And here is the handle, which is pretty strong and sturdy. So to use the broom, screw tight the broom and you are good to use. And the best thing about this broom is on the day one itself, there is no mess nor any breakage as opposed to a grass broom, which own mess becomes a concern. It has the flexible fibers that cover more surface area in each individual swipe, so it has a wide floor contact. And it's flexible enough to reach nooks and corners, and with its long handle, this broom allow you to reach those hard to get corners without any hassle, and you can easily reach. See, my height is 5'3", I can reach the roof of my house and even the fan. And it is washable, meaning water resistant also, though I have not washed it yet. Unlike your regular grass broom, this one is durable and long lasting. Now this is what you call a real smart yet manual broom that does the job perfectly. It is long enough so that you don't have to bend much. The broom quality is excellent. It is soft yet durable and easy to carry. Every house must have. It's very helpful. Cons, really hard to find at this point. Quality speaks for itself. So the product is excellent. You must give it a try and you must subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.